Struggling to find the perfect vitamin C serum to brighten your skin and fight aging? With so many options out there, it's easy to feel lost in the crowd. In today's video, we're diving into 5 of the best vitamin C serums that promise to give you a glowing, youthful complexion. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or a high-end serum, we've got you covered. Let's explore each one to help you make the right choice for your skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, the Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8%. The Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% is a straightforward and affordable vitamin C serum that offers an effective solution for brightening and evening out skin tone. Formulated with pure ascorbic acid, this serum helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots, fine lines, and dullness, making it a great choice for anyone looking to boost their skin's radiance without breaking the bank. With a concentration of 8% ascorbic acid, this product strikes a balance between potency and gentleness, ideal for those new to vitamin C serums or with sensitive skin. Key features: the Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% serum is a simple, yet effective product. It features pure ascorbic acid as its main ingredient, which is known for its skin brightening and anti-aging properties. The serum also contains water and a stabilizing base, ensuring that the vitamin C remains active and effective over time. The lightweight texture absorbs easily into the skin, leaving it feeling refreshed without any sticky residue. This serum is also free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, making it a great choice for those seeking a clean, minimalist skincare routine. Benefits and usage: this serum is perfect for anyone looking to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or uneven skin tone. Its vitamin C content helps to stimulate collagen production, which in turn helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% can be used both in the morning and evening as part of your skincare routine. Apply a few drops onto clean skin, gently massaging it into your face before following with a moisturizer. Consistent use will result in brighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking skin. Usability: the Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% is suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin, though it is important to patch test first to ensure no irritation occurs. Due to the pure form of ascorbic acid, the serum may cause slight tingling upon application, but this is normal and typically subsides quickly. The product's glass dropper packaging allows for precise application, ensuring that you only use the amount you need without waste. The serum's fast-absorbing nature makes it a great addition to any skincare routine, layering well with other products. Durability: despite its affordable price point, the Ordinary Ascorbic Acid 8% is a high-quality product that delivers visible results. The 30 ml bottle should last around 2 months with regular use. However, vitamin C is sensitive to light and air, so it's important to store the serum in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. While the serum is effective, its potency may decrease over time if exposed to light and air, so it's best to use it within a few months of opening. In the second spot, we have Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C. Glow Recipe's Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum is a highly praised product that combines the power of vitamin C with tropical fruit extracts to help reduce hyperpigmentation and brighten the skin. The serum features a unique blend of guava, a rich source of vitamin C, and other nourishing ingredients like niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This makes it not only effective at brightening the skin but also hydrating and soothing, giving you a fresh, radiant complexion. It's a great choice for anyone looking to target dark spots, acne scars, and skin dullness. Key features: Glow Recipe's Guava Vitamin C Serum is formulated with a powerful 15% vitamin C complex derived from guava, which is known for its ability to fight pigmentation and improve skin texture. In addition to vitamin C, the serum contains niacinamide to reduce redness and even out skin tone, while hyaluronic acid offers hydration. The formula is lightweight, non-greasy, and absorbs quickly, leaving the skin soft and glowing. Glow Recipe is also known for using clean, cruelty-free ingredients, making this a great option for environmentally conscious shoppers. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of the Guava Vitamin C Serum is its ability to brighten and target hyperpigmentation, including dark spots and acne scars. The combination of vitamin C and niacinamide also works to even out the skin tone, while hyaluronic acid ensures the skin stays hydrated and smooth. To use, apply a few drops onto your face after cleansing, gently massaging the serum into the skin. You can use it both in the morning and at night, following up with sunscreen during the day for added protection from UV damage. Usability. This serum is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle formula. The guava scent is refreshing but not overpowering, making it a pleasant addition to your skincare routine. The serum has a slightly thicker texture compared to other vitamin C serums, but still absorbs quickly without feeling sticky. The packaging is sleek and functional, with a dropper that ensures precise application. The formula is free from artificial fragrances, parabens, and sulfates, ensuring it's safe for sensitive skin. Durability. Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Serum is formulated with a stabilizing vitamin C complex to ensure it remains effective over time. The 30 ml bottle typically lasts around 2 months with daily use. To preserve the integrity of the vitamin C and other sensitive ingredients, it's best to store the product in a cool, dry place. The formula is designed to provide consistent results, with noticeable improvements in skin brightness and texture within a few weeks of use. Coming in at number 3 is the Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C. Vichy's LiftActiv Vitamin C is a potent, anti-aging serum that promises to brighten, firm, and renew the skin. This highly effective serum contains a high concentration of stabilized vitamin C, 15%, to address dark spots, fine lines, and loss of radiance. Vichy's formula also includes mineral-rich volcanic water and peptides to strengthen and protect the skin, providing an all-in-one solution for those looking to restore youthful skin. It's especially effective for mature or dull skin that needs an extra boost of radiance and vitality. Key features. The Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum contains 15% pure vitamin C, which is known for its brightening, anti-aging, and collagen-boosting properties. In addition to vitamin C, the serum is infused with volcanic water, which is rich in minerals and antioxidants to protect and regenerate the skin. The formula also includes peptides to help firm and smooth the skin. The serum's lightweight, gel-like texture absorbs quickly, providing a refreshing feeling without leaving any residue. The product is dermatologically tested, making it suitable for sensitive skin as well. Benefits and usage. The Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum is ideal for those looking to brighten their complexion, reduce dark spots, and improve skin firmness. The serum's potent vitamin C content helps to stimulate collagen production, which is key in fighting signs of aging. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin, gently massaging it into the face and neck. This serum can be used in both your morning and evening skincare routines. For maximum benefits, follow up with a moisturizer and always apply sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin from further damage. Usability. This serum is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle, yet powerful formula. The non-greasy, gel-like texture makes it easy to apply and allows for quick absorption into the skin. The packaging is user-friendly, featuring a dropper that makes it easy to control the amount of product used. The serum is free from parabens, sulfates, and fragrances, ensuring that it won't irritate the skin. It can be used in combination with other skincare products without feeling heavy or clogging pores. Durability. The Vichy LiftActiv Vitamin C Serum is formulated with stabilized vitamin C, ensuring that it maintains its potency over time. The 20 ml bottle typically lasts around 2 months with regular use. It's important to store the serum in a cool, dark place to preserve the effectiveness of the vitamin C. With consistent use, you'll see improvements in skin brightness, texture, and firmness within a few weeks. Taking our 4th spot is Kiehl's Powerful Strength Vitamin C. Kiehl's Powerful Strength Vitamin C Serum is a premium, anti-aging serum designed to deliver visible results in just a few weeks. Featuring 12.5% vitamin C, this serum is formulated to improve skin texture, reduce fine lines, and enhance skin radiance. The product is also infused with hyaluronic acid, which helps to plump and hydrate the skin. Kiehl serum is a great option for anyone looking for a high-performance product that delivers real, noticeable changes to the skin. Key features: the Kiehl's Powerful Strength Vitamin C Serum boasts 12.5% vitamin C, which is known for its ability to brighten and smooth the skin. The formula also includes hyaluronic acid, which deeply hydrates the skin, leaving it feeling soft and plump. The product is designed to be gentle on the skin, despite its potent vitamin C content. It comes in a sleek, amber-colored bottle that protects the serum from light, helping to maintain its effectiveness over time. Benefits and usage: this serum is perfect for those looking to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. The vitamin C helps to brighten the skin and even out skin tone, while hyaluronic acid provides deep hydration. The serum can be used both morning and night as part of your skincare routine. Apply a few drops onto clean skin, gently massaging it into your face and neck. Follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration and protect your skin from external factors. Usability: Kiehl's Powerful Strength Vitamin C Serum is suitable for most skin types, including those with sensitive skin. Its smooth texture makes it easy to apply and absorb into the skin, and it layers well with other skincare products. The amber packaging ensures that the serum's potency is preserved, and the dropper allows for precise application. The serum is fragrance-free and contains no parabens, sulfates, or silicones, ensuring that it is gentle and safe for sensitive skin. Durability: this serum is long-lasting, with a small amount providing significant benefits. The 50 ml bottle will last for several months with regular use. To maintain the serum's potency, store it in a cool, dark place. With consistent use, you'll notice visible improvements in skin texture, radiance, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. And finally, at number 5, we have Olay Vitamin C Plus Peptide 24. Olay's Vitamin C Plus Peptide 24 is a lightweight, brightening serum that combines the power of vitamin C with peptides to hydrate, firm, and even skin tone. This serum is designed to brighten dark spots, reduce wrinkles, and improve the overall texture of your skin. It's a great option for those seeking a budget-friendly serum that provides anti-aging benefits while delivering skin-brightening results. With continuous use, you'll see a radiant, youthful complexion. Key features: Olay Vitamin C Plus Peptide 24 contains a potent blend of vitamin C and peptides that work together to brighten, hydrate, and firm the skin. The serum also features a lightweight, non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly without leaving a residue. The combination of vitamin C and peptides helps to even out skin tone, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and provide long-lasting hydration. The product is fragrance-free and suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this serum is perfect for anyone looking to brighten their skin, improve texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The vitamin C helps to fight free radicals, while the peptides stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin in the morning and evening, massaging it into your face and neck. Follow with a moisturizer for added hydration and protection. Usability: Olay's Vitamin C Plus Peptide 24 Serum is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, thanks to its gentle formula. The serum absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it easy to layer with other skincare products. The dropper packaging allows for precise application, ensuring you only use the amount needed. It's free from parabens and fragrances, ensuring it's safe for daily use. Durability: Olay Vitamin C Plus Peptide 24 Serum is formulated to last, with consistent use providing visible results. The 30 ml bottle typically lasts around 2 months with daily application. To ensure the vitamin C stays effective, store the serum in a cool, dark place. The serum's hydrating formula makes it a great option for keeping the skin moisturized and radiant throughout the day. Finding the right vitamin C serum for your skincare routine can be challenging, but with these 5 top options, you're sure to find something that works for you. Whether you're looking for something affordable or high-end, each of these serums offers unique benefits to brighten your skin, reduce dark spots, and tackle the signs of aging. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more skincare tips and reviews. Here's to your glowing skin.